So many entrants.
Come on, Guil! What's that pinecone pen? Is it giveaway time? Yes, I think it is. It's giveaway time. You're going to a new home. Actually, my dear, dear humans, I have a confession to make. I said that you guys were going to win this pen. I have a chance of winning this pen. I had a lot of response to people wanting to win this pen. So I don't know how to say this, but unfortunately, I've lied to you. I don't know how to explain it any more than that. You're going to win this pen, but because I've had such a big response, I'm also going to give away these 2 pens as well. Don't panic! I didn't mean this video to be a panic video of me lying to you all. No, I just wanted to tell you that because of the generous offer of you guys out there, I'm actually going to give away these 2 pens. So, the first one, the gold one, is Black's Box Burl, which is the same burl that I use for this. Which is, yeah, a very, very pretty burl. And a very pretty bowl. I love that bowl. It is fantastic. It's sitting up on my my shelf, and I love it. And the other pen is another burl. This one, focus. This one is actually from a clock that broke. It stood for many years on my parents' mantelpiece, and it broke one day, so they gave it to me to turn into pretty things. And just to show you, it's this one here. This used to be a clock. Stay tuned. This will be turned into something else in the next coming weeks, similar to the other bowl, but you'll have to stick around to find out what it becomes. So yes, this pen came from that. So anyway, let's get to finding out who wins. Okay, this is number 1 for the pinecone pen. Say it again. Okay, let's randomize. Here we go. Congratulations to the winner. 16. 16 is Jeff Mayfield. Congratulations, buddy. You have won the pinecone pen. Okay, next pen, which is the burl. Hang on, get away from the screen. And focus, will you? Hey, let's go. One and 50. Enter. That is 35, which is Peter Van Engleton. England, that one. Anyway, you've won this pen. And our third and final pen. Let you have a look at it. Just the red box or black box pearl. And clear. Nope. One. And 52. Enter 31. 31. The Woodster GW Wood Turning. This one is coming to you, buddy. So there, we have our 3 winners. Congratulations. And congratulations to the winners. These pens will have lovely new homes. So go, pens, be free, go into the world. And for those who didn't win, I am terribly sorry, but I will have a few more of these pens up on my Etsy site. So I'm going to start an Etsy store. And they're going to be reasonably priced, and then stuff that will help me keep producing YouTube content. So yeah, go and check out the Etsy store. It's in the description, or it'll be right here. Anyway, enough of that. Yeah, go and check that out. So, I've been a bit busy, been away from the shop. I've been helping out with a show, a production. Yeah, so that's what I've been doing for the last couple of weeks. So more videos will be coming, not just once a week. I'll hopefully have a couple up each week to keep you all entertained, and I hope I do get entertained, because I do like making my videos, and I love the response that I'm getting. And still, once again, from the bottom of my heart, thank you very much for supporting me. It is an amazing feeling to get, yeah, all the comments, all the likes, just the support that this YouTube community gives. It's uplifting, and yeah, it's great. I'm glad that you like my content. So everyone, don't forget to be awesome. Stay awesome. Be awesome. I'll see you guys very soon.